Welcome student. Now we shall solve certain problems using substitution method, but these problems are having a root here, isn't it? Root x plus b, x into root, x into root. In each of the problem we follow only one method here. What is that method here? That means we follow the method that is, look at it. In each of the problem we take that root as t. Integral of root of ax plus b. In case root is present, put that root of the function. Root of the function equals t. Okay. And square that and differentiate it. Square it and differentiate with respect to x in each of the problem. So look at it. There is one more method to solve this problem, but I think all the problem can be solved by using this method. So in this problem, root is having for root of ax plus b. Take root of ax plus b equals t, squaring both sides. Ax plus b will be t square. Differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative is important here. A is a constant. Derivative of x is 1. For b it is 0. So a into 1 into dx equals. Here it is not t. Here it is t square is present here. So remember the derivative of t square will be equal to 2t. So it is 2t into dt. So dx will be, a comes to the denominator, 2t by a into dt. Remember, this is the value of dx. So the value of dx is 2t by a into dt. So this integral of root of ax plus b, the entire this root of ax plus b, this will be equal to t. And this dx will be equal to 2t by a, right? This a is a constant, 2 is a constant, 2 by a is out. Integral of t into t, t square dt, 2 by a, t square integral is t cube by 3. This 3 is a constant, comes here, 2 divided by 3a into t cube. What is t here? T is root of ax plus b, so it is root of ax plus b whole cube plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. So again, if you simplify this expression, not necessary, ax plus b to the power of half whole power 3, then it can be written as 2 by 3a into ax plus b to the power of half whole power 3. So which is nothing but equal to 2 by 3a into ax plus b to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Not necessary, it is enough to write up to this one. Come to the next one. It is the same way. Which is the root here? It is root of x plus 2. Take it as t. Squaring both sides, root and square cancel. X plus 2 equals t become t square. So here in this case, here x is there. X dx will be there, isn't it? X plus 2 t square ಆದರೆ come transfer this 2 to this side, it become t square minus 2. If you differentiate, the derivative of x is dx, 2 gets 0, t square is 2t dt. So the entire thing is, look at this x. For x it is t square minus 2. For root of x plus 2 it is okay. For x it is t square minus 2. Okay. Next, for root of x plus 2 it is t miss agide into t into 2t dt. Okay, so this is t into t square. So this is integral of, look at here, t square minus 2 into t into 2t is 2t square into dt, right? So what is this t square into 2t square? Integral of 2 into t to the power of 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 into t square dt, right? So finally you are having like this, 2 into t to the power of 4 integral is t to the power of 5 divided by 5, okay, minus 4 into t square integral is t cube by 3 plus c. Again, look at here. It is 2 into t to the power of 4 alive. This is t to the power of 5 by 5 minus 4 into t to the power of 3 by 3. So again it is, look at here, this is 2 by 5 will be denoted, 2 by 5 is taken out into t to the power of 5 is there. What is t? Root of x plus 2. It becomes root of x plus 2 whole to the power of 5, and this next minus 4 by 3 into t cube. What is t cube? Root of x plus 2 whole cube plus c. So this is the answer. Don't take this one, okay? So integral of x value is t square minus 2, and this root of x plus 2 is t, dx is 2t dt, till t into 2t, here it is once again, t into 2t is 2t square. So t square into 2t square, 2 into t power t square t power 4 minus 2 into 2 4 into t square. 2 is constant as it is, t power 4 is t power 5 by 5, minus 4 is a constant, t square is t cube by 3. So 2 by 5 into t power 5, 2 by 5 into root x plus 2 power 5 minus 4 by 3 t cube. T cube is root of x plus 2 whole cube, because the value of t is x plus 2. Right? One more problem here. Look at this. Root, here this is the problem. We should take root of 1 plus 2x square is t. Squaring both sides, 1 plus 2x square equals t square. Differentiate with respect to x. One derivative is 0. 2 as it is. For x square it is 2x. 2 into 2, 4x dx is t square is 2t dt. Now look at this. Here you are having x is there. Here you are having dt is there. That means look at this. This x square is there. X is there. X into dx will be there, isn't it? So that x into dx will be 2t divided by 4, or 2 ones are 2 to the t by 2 into dt. Now look at here. Root of 1 plus 2t square is t. Okay. Again x dx will be dt by 2. Nodi. X dx will be t by 2 into dt. So it is t by 2. Nodi. X dx again t by 2. Root of 1 plus 2x cube get t dt. This 2 is taken out. 1 by 2 into t square. What is the integral of t square? T cube by 3. 3 and 2 get multiplied. It is 1 by 6 into t cube. What is t? Root of 2x, 1 plus 2x cube whole cube. Remember, ex and dx will be t by 2 into dt. Root of 2x, 1 plus 2x square is t. Again, very similar to the same problem. Once again, we take root of x square plus x plus 1 is t. Squaring both sides, root and square get cancelled. Here t become t square maribardo. Differentiate it, x square derivative is 2x. X it is 1. For 1 it is 0. So 2x plus 1 into dx will be t square, it is 2t dt. Here you are having 4x plus 2 alpha. Multiply both sides by 2. It is 2 into 2. 4x plus 2 dx equals 2t dt. Sorry, this becomes multiplied by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4t dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. So the entire thing, look at it, 4x plus 2 dx will be 4t dt. So this is 2t alla, this is 4t dt, and root of x square plus x plus 1 is t. 4 is taken out, it becomes 4 into integral of t square dt. So it is 4 is taken out here. 4 into integral of t square is t cube by 3. 3 comes to this denominator. This is 4 by 3 t cube, root of x square plus x plus 1 whole cube plus c. So it is a very simple problems here. Integral of x divided by root of x plus 4. Again you take root of x plus 4 t. Squaring both the sides, x plus 4 is t square, in numerator x is alva, so x is t square minus 4. You differentiate this with respect to x, x derivative is 1, so 1 into dx equals t square derivative is 2t dt. So in the place of this x dx, In the place of x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So in the place of x you write t square minus 4. In the place of dx 2t dt divided by root of x plus 4 is t. Here you can cancel this t and t, no? T and t get cancelled here. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 is taken out, t square minus 4 dt. Answer is integral of t square is t power 3 by 3 minus 4 is a constant, so 4 into t plus c. What is t cube? Root of x plus 4 whole cube by 3 minus 4 into t is root of x plus 4 plus c. Okay. Now come to this problem. Again the same problem. You take root x equals t, squaring both the sides, x equals t square, differentiate with respect to x, dx equals 2t dt. So cos root x t, denominator root x t, dx is 2t dt. Again we cancel this t and t here. T get cancelled, 2 is taken out, 2 into integral of cos t dt. What is the integration of cos t? Sin t plus c. So 2 into sin t is root x. Homework ಮಾಡಿ here. Integral of sin root x divided by root x dx. This is homework. Very similar to this problem. Okay. Now look at here. Again the same thing. Root of sin 2x equals t. Yalla root ಏನಿದೆ t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Squaring both sides. Sin 2x equals t square. Differentiate this. Look at, if you differentiate this, you must take 2x as u. What is the derivative of sin u? Sin u derivative is with respect to x alva. Derivative of sin u is, so this is cos u into derivative of u. What is u here? This is cos 2x into derivative of 2x. What is the derivative of 2x? It is 2. So it is cos 2x into 2 dx is t square dt. Okay. So what is the squaring both the sides, differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ವಾ? So t square derivative t square ಇಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So what is the derivative of t square? It is 2t dt, right? So therefore cos 2x dx will be equal to 2 denominator ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2t dt. So ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Look at here, 2t dt divided by what? 2. So 2 get cancelled. So cos 2x dx will be t into dt. Here cos 2x dx is alva ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So now what we have to do here? Look at here. Let us simplify. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ. Okay. So this is nothing but that is equal to integral of, so what is this? Root of sin 2x will be t, integral of t into cos 2x dx ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ into t dt. So t into t square, so that is equal to integral of t square dt. So what is the integral of t square? It is t cube by 3 plus c. So what is t cube? You can take 1 by 3 into, what is t here? Root of sin 2x, isn't it? Root of sin 2x whole cube plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, we'll leave it. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Once again I will tell you, I will explain. Root of sin 2x t, squaring both the sides, sin 2x equals t square. Sin 2x derivative is cos 2x into 2 dx equals t square derivative is 2t dt. So cos 2x dx will be, it 2 comes to the denominator, 2t dt by 2, 2 get cancelled, t dt. So what is cos 2x dx? Numerator is there, cos 2x dx, isn't it? So we see that that is t into t dt. T into t square. T square is t cube by 3. So 1 by 3 into t andre root of sin 2x whole cube. Come to this problem here. Again what we have to take is the root of 1 plus sin 2x equals t. Squaring both sides, 1 plus sin 2x equals t square. Differentiate it, 1 derivative is 0, sin x again cos x dx equals t square derivative is 2t dt. numerator is there here. Look at this numerator. It is cos x dx. This will be equal to 2t dt. So this denominator will be t, isn't it? Sorry, root is there. Squaring both the sides. Okay, 1 plus sine root of 1 plus sin x equals t. So 1 plus sin x equals t square. Cos x dx will be 2t dt. Numerator cos x dx will be 2t dt divided by root of sin 2x. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪು t dt ನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. So this is t dt. So let us strike off this. I will solve this. Okay. So this is that is equal to better. Okay. So this is nothing but, so therefore I write here integral of cos x dx divided by root of 1 plus sin x. This is equal to, what is cos x dx? This is 2t into dt divided by root of sin x is t. You can cancel this t and t. Integral of 2 into dt. 2 is a constant. It is just 2t plus c. That is equal to 2 into, what is t? It is root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Simple answer. Okay. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಟಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಟಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Come to this problem. Again, look at it. Root is there. You take root x equals t. Squaring both sides, x equals t square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಈ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ t ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ರೂಟ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನೀವು t ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. dx ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, differentiate this x equals t square with respect to x. dx equals 2t dt, numerator dx ಇದೆ. So in the numerator we write, look at here, 2t dt, x is there, t square minus t. t is common here, denominator t minus 1, here t get cancelled here. Integral of 2 is there. Okay, 2 into integral of dt by t minus 1. Always remember integral of dx divided by x will be equal to log of mod x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ linear function, suppose ax plus b will be there. Integral of dx by ax plus bt is log of mod ax plus b divided by x coefficient a plus c. So integral of dt by t minus 1 is, this is 2 into that is 2 into log of mod t minus 1 divided by t coefficient is 1 divided by 1 plus c. So this is equal to 2 into log of modulus of root x t minus 1 plus c. Okay. So try to solve all these problems which are very much similar. In each of the problem we take root of the function equals t and we square it and differentiate with respect to x. So we have to take care of all those things. Okay. What are the steps here? The first step is take root of the function as t. Second step, squaring both sides. Right hand side we have t square. Third step, differentiate with respect to x. So here derivative of t square is 2t dt. Always remember it. Okay, derivative of 2 square is 2t dt. Okay. Okay. Then integrate it. integrate. So these are all the steps you have to remember. Okay. Thank you.